So we're at the racetrack in Booty. Just picked up the 1993 Mitsubishi Mighty Max. It's pretty decent shape. Timing components were broken. It's a Mighty Max Sport. Got a little bit of oxidation on the paint. Some factory chrome rims. The interior is not the best of shape, but we can deal with that. So we'll get her running, do a little TLC to it, probably put it for sale. What's up, YouTube? So you've probably seen the intro to this. I think I'm gonna put that right before. This is the little 93 Mitsubishi we went and picked up. The guy said the timing was bad on it. So the mechanic, and he actually had a mechanic put this together. So this timing mark right here is actually lined up properly. I've got this timing mark and the one right above it. There's a little, let's see if I can get in on that. And it's supposed to be pointed right at this piece right here. Alright, so there to there. Now, what's amazing is this one is supposed to be pointed right here, so that's a balance shaft. So if that ain't in the right spot, the motor's gonna vibrate its ass off. Alright, this one up here at the top of the cam, this one is supposed to be pointed right here at the edge of the head. So that's all it's going to take to get this guy running. I'll do a little bit of other maintenance or whatever and clean it up. I'll give somebody, I got one guy that may want it without the motor, so that's fine. If you don't want the motor, we'll pull it out and just sell it to him as a shell. And if not, I'll get it cleaned up and we'll sell it as a whole truck. Alright, so they would have never got this truck to run. The distributor, which I've turned, I'm going to show you a little secret about this. The distributor was 180 out. Y'all seen that the timing marks were off. So, let's show you a simple way to set this distributor. Alright. So, you pull the distributor out. They got a little dimple right here on side of this set screw. So you line that dimple up with this alignment mark, and that's going to put your distributor right in. Whenever you put that in there, you want to get this bolt just about center of this keyway, or the bolt hole, so that you got some adjustment to advance and retard the timing. So get that on there. Just slide the distributor in, get it about centered on the hole. I think it moved a little bit. Yeah, we moved it a little bit. So I'll hold that rotor in the right spot. Now your distributor's timed. So we'll go ahead and pop the belt on and see if she fires up. Alright, so we got everything going. It's all put together. Well, I say it's all put together. None of the stuff's on the front. We're just about to do a test crank and see if we can see if she fires. So we're gonna put some starting fluid in there because it's probably got old gas. Alright, Monique, go for it. Tap the key, Monique. You got the clutch down? Yeah. Tap the key. All right, hold on, stop. Let me spin it over. Turn the key off. All right, try again. stop. Alright, so we got some jumper cables hooked up so we can get a little bit extra juice in it. And we're going to try this one more time. Starting fluid in here. Again, we don't know. Alright, go for it. Almost. Hit it again. Hit it again. Come on, hit it again. Stop. It's got bad gas in it is what it is. All right, hit it again. All right, we're gonna have to drain the gas out. All right, we're gonna let it sit for a minute. Or we let it sit for a minute, and I just sprayed some more starting fluid in there, so I'm about to give it another try. I don't have my helper right now, so let's see if this works. Oh! All right, let's put all the belts back on. All right, I got it idling a little high, trying to burn off some of the fuel, but we got it back together. It's got a little lifter noise in it. I'll let it run, let that oil cycle through a little bit. We'll do an oil change and get the get some synthetic in there. Hopefully try to quiet them lifters down. If not, I got some lifters for it. But she's running. She's happy. Now we just need to clean her up. Amazingly enough, the original owner told me a little while ago, he's like, hey man, you got it running, I'll buy it back from you. So I don't know, we'll see. All right guys, you have a good one. And basically I guess it's a video all in all on how to time a Mitsubishi. I'll go ahead and put a shot of the timing marks up right here. We'll that way if you're looking at this for that particular reason. All right guys, have a good one.